Alright y'all, so I'm back at y'all with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MAGPUL TMAG. So I got about 2 of these on sale. These are MAGPUL'S newest mags. They're translucent. They call them like OD green to me. They just look translucent. But I opened one, so I'm not going to open the other. I'll load it up real quick for y'all. Show y'all how it looks in my MK18.
I got enough rounds.
Pop this out, boom. Nothing's in there. Clear. Firearms on safe. I must say, it is beautiful. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Oh my god. That's him. Yeah, that's him.